ask you again, I request you to remember these pictures. They are in the conscience of the people of Pakistan and the state of Pakistan. India has killed innocent children on false pretexts, and they are thumping their chest. They are celebrating this killing of innocent. This is what they did to the mosques. Which humanity allows this? Which UN convention allows this? Which Geneva Convention allows this? Which human rights allow this? And you celebrate it? And you say we have done a great deed to the Indian people? They came on the night of 6th and 7th. They killed the innocent children. They desecrated the Holy Quran. This is what they did. Once they came, our proud Air Force took them on. They came in large numbers. 5 of their aircraft was shot down. 3 Rafales, 1 MiG-29, 1 Su-30, 1 large combat UAV, multiple smaller UAVs. On the line of control, the Indians opened fire all along, indiscriminate fire, specifically targeting these civilians living on the Pakistan side of Kashmir. Specifically targeting the civilian populations. We have responded. We are continuously responding to this aggression. And we are only targeting the Indian military posts. We are being very careful because Pakistan, the state and its people and its armed forces do not believe in targeting innocent civilians. We have neither the culture nor our religion allow nor our morality allow that we target innocent people, that we target holy places. And I will show you the evidence that how precisely we are targeting only their military posts. So this is their brigade headquarters. This is their post. So we are targeting exactly from where the fire is coming on Pakistan. Only the military targeting. We are just showing you some parts of it. This is Hajipir sector, ring contour post, Bhagsar mortar position. This is Danna top. This is the LP post. In continuation of what I said earlier, that one of the purpose of this Pahalgam and the continued action that is going on is to distract the counter-terrorism operations of Pakistan. Just received a message that Indian-sponsored terrorist entity Fitna al-Khawarij undertook an ID and attack on our forces in South Waziristan district, and we have suffered 9 shahadats. Attack through conventional forces, do terrorism through conventional forces against the innocent children and civilians, make a pull on the conventional on the armed forces of Pakistan to move towards the eastern border, create voids so that their sponsored proxies like Fitna al-Khawarij and the terrorist organization operating in Balochistan, they can increase the tempo of the operations. The design is for there to see. This is also important to understand that once they attacked with their air on 6th and 7th May, so there were 57 flights which are operating inside Pakistan at that time, including international flights from Gulf countries, brotherly Gulf countries, from Qatar, from UAE, from Saudi Arabia, from China, Korean, Thai, and many other countries, also all domestic flights. And you put in danger thousands of civilians' lives. Once you started attacking them, once you started attacking the Pakistani airspace. And they also, in the process, took on shelling of the Neelam Jhelum hydropower project, the Nusari Dam. This also happened on the night. The question is, what sort of mindset is this? You are putting lives of the innocent civilian passengers in aircraft from different nationalities in danger. You are attacking hydropower projects, water, dams, the storage sites. And you don't want that anybody should talk about it, that nobody should question you about it. And then you create the smoke screens of Pakistan attacking multiple places over there. I told yesterday also, I'll tell again, when we will attack, when we will give them a response, we don't need Indian TV channels to report it. The voice will be heard everywhere. We don't need this controlled, state-controlled media of Modi government to tell where and how we have attacked. These are the articles of the Geneva Conventions. And what they say, I'll just read one of them. Works and installations containing dangerous forces, namely dams, dikes and nuclear electrical generating stations, shall not be made the object of attack, even where these objects are military objectives, if such attack may cause the release of dangerous forces and consequent severe losses amongst the civilian population. These are the world norms. These are the protocols, the agreed protocols as per which the humans have decided to live their lives, the way we would like to live in a civilized world. Repeatedly you are saying that violation of one by one and one and one and one. It's happening. And then we saw today, yesterday and then today also, they are sending Israeli made Harpy and Harop drones inside Pakistan. Swarm drone attacks. You must have observed it. They are sending it. We have so far taken out 77 drones, neutralized them through hard kill and soft kill. At multiple locations they have come. Whenever these drones come, they are detected. They believe, like if they thought that they are very high tech aircraft and they will be able to go scot-free. They, I think, thought that these very sophisticated low cross-section drones, they can come and create havoc over there. We have taken we have taken and we are taking each one of them out. Not one of them has been able to go back to India, and not one of them will be able to go back. So we watched each one of them. We detect each one of them. So don't think that anything that is coming from the east we are not seeing. We are vigilant and we will not let anyone put a cross on our territorial integrity and sovereignty. Not at all. We will defend our honor, our integrity, our sovereignty at all cost, and we are doing it. So these drones that have been shot, we are collecting the debris from all over Pakistan, and these are our war trophies that we will rub on their faces. On the night of 6th and 7th, we asked them to pick up the debris from their side. This time this service we are doing for them, whatever they are sending. And whatever they will send, we will convert it into debris.